Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are showing you how to solve this exponential equation with h power 8 minus 2 power 3h plus 192 equals 0 and find the values of 8. Okay, before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, the first step, we take 2 power 3h plus 192 to the right hand side. So we get 8 power h equal to power 3h plus 192. And now 192 equal 64 and times 3. So we get this is equal to a power 3h plus 3 and times 64. And then we see these 3 the same. So we take 3 out of factor. So we get this equal to a power 3 and multiply h plus 64. And look here, this 2 power 3 times h plus 64. If you use the formula, if a is a power m and whole to power n, it's equal a power m times n. So now we have this a power m times n. Then we're seeing this m and we're seeing this n. So we get this a power m whole to power n. So here is can be right, it's equal to a power 3 whole to power h plus 64. And now here is 2 power 3 is equal a. So we get this 8 and power h plus 64. And then here is we use the formulas. If a power m times a power n is equal a power m plus n. And now here is we have a power m plus n. So can be right is a power m times a power n. So we get this equal 8 and power h and times 8 and power 64. So half h power h. And here is now we divide both sides of this equation with 8 power 8. So we divide with 8 and power 8. And here is also divide with 8 and power 8. And now here is we use the formulas if a and power n and divide by b and power n is equal a divided by b whole to power n. So here is we get this 8 h and divide by 8 whole to power h equal. If we simplify h power h, we get this 8 and power 64. And now we raise both sides of this equation to power 1 divided by 8. So we raise to power 1 divided by 8. And here is also raised to power 1 divided by 8. So we get here is equal 8 and divided by 8. And power here is we use the formulas with a power m whole to power n is equal a power m times n. So we get here is h times 1 divided by 8. We get h divided by 8. And it's equal. Here is 64 divided by 8. We get 8. So we get 8 and power 8. And now we see our equation with 8 divided by 8. And here is 8 divided by 8 equal 8 and 8. So we get this 8 divided by 8 is equal 8. And now we multiply both sides of this equation with 8. So we simplify we get 8 equal 8 times 8 equals 64. So now this we get the values of 8 is equal 64 is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye.